Hi, I'm Hao Han. You can call me Jason, which is easier. I'm currently studying at Computer Programming and Analysis at Figma. I previously worked as strength coach in professional basketball league in Taiwan and China. So why I'm here? Why I come to Canada for studying computer programming? During my time being the coach, the data analysis in our team inspired me a lot. He always analyzed the game data by using programming, which improving player performance, just like the movie Moneyball. Then I started wondering, I thought that could be me. So here I am. I start coding and pursue my dream. So let's get started to the point. How to design a personality test website. When designing a website, I typically use React for the front end and Node.js for the back end. I prefer these technologies because JavaScript was the first programming language I learned. And during my co-op at Haha, we used this framework too. First of all, I will start by focusing on the front end. This involves designing the UI UX and mapping out the user flow by creating wireframes in Figma. For example, this website would have 5 main pages: the landing page, sign in, sign out page, quiz page, and the final quiz result page. In the wireframes, users would first see the landing page, which will prompt them to start quiz. After they click the start quiz button, I would direct them to sign out page. After sign in or sign out, the user will be directed to the quiz page. After completing the quiz, they will be redirected to the final result page. During the design process, I will also think about how many front-end URLs and the back-end API I need. Next, I'd like to explain user authentication on the sign-in and the sign-out pages. Taking sign-in as an example, after user fills in their information, such as email and the password, frontend will send a post request to the backend sign-in API. The backend will first use bcrypt to hash user passwords, then check if there is a matching user in the database. If a matching is found, the backend will generate a JWT token and return it to the frontend. The frontend would then store this token in local storage, allowing it to be carried across different pages. Every time an API call is made, the token can be retrieved from local storage and included in the API header and sent to the backend to get the user information. Now, let's discuss how to create this complex multi-layer personality test. First, we need to decide how to store the quiz in the backend, since the next question depends on the previous answer. I will use a tree structure where each node represents a question. Here's how each node would look like. An ID to uniquely identify the question. The question's text, which is the question being asked. An options array where each option includes the option ID, the answer text, the next question ID, which points to the next question based on the selected answer. The front end will start by fetching the first question from the back end. Based on the user's answer, it will use the next question ID to fetch the next question from the back end. This approach ensures that we can dynamically handle the quiz flow. As for the front end, simply store the user answer in an array including the question's ID and option ID. After finishing the test, send this array to the backend, let the backend calculate the result and redirect it to the final page. So that's it. This is how I will design this website. Thanks for listening. I hope I can join Meta Trading Club.